Hello and welcome back. In this video we will create the shopping cart. The final product will look like this. Okay, let's get started. We will start with our products page and save it as cart.html. Remove Server Connect because it is not used here. Toggle App Connect mode to see the hidden elements. Remove the cart button and the products repeat row. Double-click the title and change the text to shopping cart. This is where we go mobile first. Change the width of the title column to 12 cols. Select the row and add a row after. Add a top margin to move it away from the title. Inside the row, add a column. Inside the column, add a bootstrap for generated table. The table will be populated by the cart items. Make the table responsive and add 2 columns for the remove button and the amount. Add cells for the added columns. Change the alignment for the table headers and columns. Product left, which is default, price, quantity, and remove center, while the amount is aligned to the right. Choose the price cell and under dynamic attributes, convert the price to a number and format as currency. Choose the quantity cell and remove the dynamic attributes inner text. Right-click the cell and add a text input. Change the ID and name to reflect quantity, and change the size to small. To center the text input, we will give the left and right margins a value of auto. Open the Styles tab and choose the Style sheet. Give the text input a width of 4 and center the text. Back in App Structure, choose Dynamic Attributes and Value. The value for the text input is quantity under cart items. Because the value is subjected to the cart items repeat region, remove that part of the value. Select the Remove cell where we will insert a button. To give us more real estate, change to General View. Double-click the button, select the button text, and choose the font Awesome flag. Search for the times icon and select. Remove the cell text. Back in mobile view, give the icon a color of red. Select the last cell, remove the cell text, and under Dynamic Attributes, select Inner Text. For the value, we choose the price multiplied by the quantity and formatted as currency. Add a new row, column, and select a responsive table. Remove the table head and two of the rows. Remove the two table cells, leaving us with a table head and a table cell. Double-click the table head and change the wording to payable. Select the cell and right-align it. Remove the text. Under Dynamic Attributes, choose to display inner text. For the value, select Array Subtotal Items and format it as the sum of the array and display as currency. Add a new row and column and insert two buttons. Align the buttons to the right. Change the tablet view and change the payable column to 6 cols wide. Then offset the column by 6 cols. Change to General View. Select the first button and give it a style. Change the wording to Continue Shopping. Go to the start of the text and add 2 spaces. With the cursor before the first space, click the Font Awesome icon and search for arrows. Select the left arrow. Under Properties, change the size of the icon to large. Under Dynamic Events, choose Mouse Click. The action is the browser go to and insert index HTML, not forgetting the single quotes. Select the second button, change the wording to Go to Checkout, 2 spaces, and the Font Awesome flag. Choose the right arrow and change the icon size to large. Style the button. Under Dynamic Events, choose Mouse Click. For the action, choose Browser Go To and insert Checkout HTML with single quotes. That takes care of our shopping cart items. In the next video, we will add quantity and delete functionality. Thank you for watching.